What's up, everyone? It's Jeff from New York, and today we're visiting MacDougal Street, which is in the heart of Greenwich Village. MacDougal plays host to many historical institutions, including Minetta Tavern, Cafe Reggio, which claims to have brought the cappuccino to America. MacDougal is also the birthplace of the Beat Generation, whose members were called Beatniks. And then there's Cafe Wa, a club that gave the start to many music stars past and present, including Jimi Hendrix, Bob Dylan, Bruce Springsteen, and many, many more. Right off of MacDougal Street is MacDougal Alley, home of Jackson Pollock, the famous splatter American artist. MacDougal is also in the heart of NYU, and we pass NYU's Vanderbilt Hall. It's a short video, but then again, MacDougal's a short street.
This New York video is brought to you by Amazon Home Services, a new and simple way to schedule professional services for your home, such as home cleaning, plumbing, carpentry, electrical work, handyman work, and much, much more. Simply schedule online by clicking the link below. Top-rated service providers in your area are listed, and they've been through rigorous background checks such as license, insurance, and they even do a criminal background check. Service pros will compete for your business based on price, quality, and availability. All services are backed by Amazon's happiness guarantee. If you're not satisfied, Amazon will make sure the job gets done right. There's no sign-ups or subscriptions required. Next time you need work done around the home, just click on the link below and check it out. Don't forget to look for Cabby, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabby is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video.
Ready for a drink? Yeah. What can we get for you? baby.
For those of you with plans to visit exciting New York City, I suggest the Photos New York City Guide. It's written by locals and has a lot of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your next visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to the city. I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you. This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out.